Hi YouTube viewers, this is Planet Adobo once again, and this is a video on how to mount a GoPro Hero 5 Session on a hat, on your hat. Yeah, look at this, in the best possible way. And I have seen several videos circulating around, but I think I'm not the first one who figured this out, but I made it better. So if you buy your GoPro Hero Session 5, it comes with this mount, and it's usually attached with this base. Just take this out. You only need this. This is the standard protection case of the GoPro Hero Session 5, and it can fit to the earlier model too. Anyway, without further ado, this is how I did this, and this is, I think, even if you compare it to the commercial stuff that they sell online, I would not trade this for something. That's why I made it too, and I can do this all the time. Okay, anyway, this is how I did it. Materials that you need: your hat, of course. You can use old hat, new hat. This is like $10 or $20 the most for a hat. You can use the old ones just for the purpose of using it to mount your GoPro Hero Session 5. Now, of course, the standard protection case, you need that. A small screw over there. I'll tell you the main purpose of that. And then this over here is a small piece of industrial Velcro, or you can get the fabric Velcro also that can be used. It doesn't need to be tough. I assure you, this one works 100%. I used it for several activities and it functions well. I did not have any problem with it. It's like nothing on my hat. So for example, this is your hat that you want your GoPro Hero Session 5 mounted. All you need to do is make sure you approximate or measure the center of the brim of the hat. It's usually marked by what, and this makes your job a little bit better, because it's usually marked like this with stitches and everything. So most of the hats comes like this. Look at that. And you don't have to do arithmetic to measure the middle of the brim of the hat. And then the next thing you do is get the mount, of course, and there's this base over here that attaches to your base buckle, and just get a Sharpie or something and measure it over here, and make sure you position the mount as close as to the hat, which there's always the seam of the hat over here, where it separates the hat and the brim of the hat. That is very important because you want us as closest to this so that by gravity it doesn't fall off like this, doesn't flop like this. Okay, but even if you put it a little, like couple millimeters farther away from the hat, it's still gonna work, because this one is proven it's gonna work. The next thing you do is get a drill and drill where you marked it. Just exactly. Do not drill it so wide that it's not gonna hold the base of your mount anymore. So you just be careful. This is the only thing that you need to be careful on. You just drill it as tight as possible, uh, in conjunction with the base of the mount. And then what I did that is kind of like different with the others is they drilled it. Me, all you have to do is, if you have a soldering iron, I think it works better, because this is fabric. The inside of this brim is plastic most of the time, and the under of the brim is also fabric. And fabric, when it cut, it the strands will pull out. When you use heat, on the other hand, is it's just gonna burn the edges of that fabric, including the plastic, and it will give you a clean, quite easy opening over here, or hole that you can mount your GoPro. Then after you've done that, you made the hole and everything, you fix it. This is very important. I just want to make sure that you don't make the hole too wide. It should be like really tight in there, so that helps with holding your GoPro mount too. And then as soon as you done that, look at the base over here. You just have to insert the screw that I told you over here. Fix it with the bolt. Look at that, like that. And then get a little piece of that Velcro strip. You should have a measured quite, maybe this is about 3/4 of an inch by 1/4. It could be a little bit thinner, but 1/4 is okay. And put it on the base of this. Why is that really important now? Is so that the placement of your GoPro mount, or GoPro in the end, will be straightforward and not actually getting this part of the brim, the end part of the brim. So that's what I did. And to show you this is actually the best I did so far. A final product is like this. Look at that. It works really fine. Okay, and you can shake it like the other guy did. You can shake it if you want to. It doesn't go away, and I used it for my running training. Yeah, it doesn't go away, and you can just put it in there and no need to worry about it. That's how it looks, and it's always on focus. Why? Because this is your field of view, and it's always focused on the thing. And see how it looks? It's not bulky or anything. It's not like there's another one online that you can buy. It comes with this base like this, and it goes like this, and it's very high up, and of course it's by gravity. Even the slightest weight that you put on top of the brim of your hat is gonna flop around and everything. The other one I have seen is also they put it over here, and that's not good also. Why? Because this base or whatever the attachment they're putting is plastic, and you don't want something over here, hard plastic over here, that's bouncing on your head. It will give you headache. So I think this is the best attachment yet, uh, and it looks good. Look at how it looks, and it doesn't move around. I have done this a lot of times, and it's just there. It's not flopping around or anything. I use it for my shooting competitions. I have also used it for running, and it really works. That's why I'm sharing it to you. I have a few subscribers now, so this is for you guys. If you like taking videos for your adventures and everything, this is the best way to do it. All right, this is Planet Adobo once again. I'll see you next time with my adventures and how-to videos. Just don't forget to like me or subscribe on my YouTube channel. I have a Twitter account. You can also follow me in my Twitter account. I have a Facebook account. You can also befriend me or something, invite me as your friend. All right. Well, this is Planet Adobo once again. Mahalo.